AliExpress is like a giant online store, a vast marketplace where you can find almost anything you can think of. It has millions of products ranging from electronics to fashion, home goods, and more. You can find almost anything there, making it a go-to for many online shoppers. Shopify, on the other hand, is a platform designed for building your own online store. It's incredibly user-friendly and easy to use, even for beginners who have no prior experience in web development. Think of it like this. AliExpress is the warehouse where all the products are stored, and Shopify is your storefront, where you display and sell these products. You pick products from AliExpress and display them in your Shopify store, creating a seamless shopping experience for your customers. When someone buys from your store, you order the product from AliExpress, and they ship it directly to your customer. This process is known as drop shipping. It's a great way to start an online business without needing to store or ship products yourself, reducing overhead costs and simplifying logistics. This guide will show you how to connect AliExpress and Shopify, making the integration process smooth and efficient. You'll learn how to find great products, set them up in your store, and start selling. Let's get started on this exciting journey. AliExpress has a huge selection of products, offering an extensive variety that caters to all your needs. You can find everything from clothes to electronics to home goods, and even niche items that are hard to find elsewhere. The prices are also very low, making it an affordable option for everyone. This means you can make a good profit margin, which is essential for any successful business. Another great thing about AliExpress is that you can order small quantities, perfect for small businesses or personal use. You don't need to buy in bulk, which reduces the risk of overstocking. This is perfect for testing out new products and seeing what works best for your market. See what sells well before investing a lot of money. AliExpress also offers drop shipping. This means you don't have to handle any inventory, saving you time and storage costs. The supplier ships the products directly to your customers, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. AliExpress makes it easy to start an online business, even if you're a beginner. You don't need a lot of money or experience, just the drive to succeed and the right platform to support you. First, you need to create accounts on AliExpress and Shopify. These platforms are essential for setting up your online store and sourcing products. Setting up both accounts is free and straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. You only start paying when you're ready to sell, which gives you time to explore and set up your store without any initial costs. Next, you need to find a dropshipping app that will help you manage your products and orders efficiently. There are many options available in the Shopify App Store, each with unique features and benefits. Oberlo and Deezers are popular choices among dropshippers due to their ease of use and robust features. These apps connect your Shopify store to AliExpress, allowing seamless product import and order fulfillment. Now it's time to find products to sell. Take your time to research and select items that have good reviews and high demand. Browse AliExpress and choose products you're interested in. Make sure to check the supplier's ratings and shipping times. When you find a product you like, import it to your Shopify store using the dropshipping app. This process is quick and easy. You can edit the product description, set your own prices, and add photos to make your listings more appealing to customers. Once you're happy with everything, publish the product to your store. Double-check all details to ensure accuracy. Now it's ready to be sold. Start promoting your store and watch your business grow. Section 4, AliExpress by the numbers. AliExpress is a global marketplace. It has over 100 million products. They have millions of active buyers worldwide. Millions of packages are shipped from AliExpress every day. These numbers show how popular AliExpress is. It's a trusted platform for both buyers and sellers. By sourcing products from AliExpress, you're tapping into a huge market. You have access to millions of potential customers. Section 5. Conclusion. Your journey to e-commerce success. Starting an online business can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With AliExpress and Shopify, you have all the tools you need to succeed. Remember, AliExpress offers a huge selection of products at low prices. Shopify makes it easy to build and manage your online store. Follow the steps outlined in this guide to start importing products. You'll be on your way to building a successful e-commerce business in no time. Good luck!